So Sunday, September 28th, and Dad is finally getting back to the Muskeg tractors. He's working on the customer ones first. He's done some more sanding and filling in the little divots here, and kind of had to tell him, like, you got no more excuses. If you notice, haven't done a video in about a week, and it's because Dad's been gardening so much that there's nothing really to report on. And because I got nothing to report on, what am I going to do? But as you can see, he's got everything covered up underneath here, and he's starting to paint and fill in everything in here. He's got the windows covered. We've got all the broken windows now, all the ones that need to be replaced. I've got a bunch of medical appointments down south I got to do. It's just dental and optometrist. I haven't had my teeth cleaned in a couple of years, and I'm pretty sure I got a cracked tooth, and so I need to go deal with that at my dentist down in Winnipeg. And I'm going to go and get a new pair of glasses because these glasses of mine are pretty scratched up. So this is what Dad's back at. So he's done a little priming as well. He's still got these here that he's already done. So I'm really wanting him to get back at this because I think he only put in 20 hours last month in total on actual paid work. And I gotta generate some revenue around here and get this done. Hopefully he starts tackling this one at the same time. I got these windows all as well, and these windows I just got to get the rubbers or the gaskets for everything so we can start getting that done. And then we're also waiting on our hired man to come back, and that is Aidan. He's out combining right now. He's been doing that for almost a month now. So it's amazing what we can't get done when Aidan's not here. I'm working full time, and then at the end of the day I got zero energy to come out here and help besides doing just the basic stuff. So I want to make sure that we can get started back on this one as well, because like once this gets put together, this one's got to get done at the same time, and I want to make sure that we have them both available for any customer that wants to buy them. So this one will be for sale, and the customer wants us to fix and sell this one for them. So yeah, if you're looking for a pair of Bombardier Muskeg Tractors, these ones will be available very shortly. And so this one has a diesel, that's the customer's, and this one here we're going to put in a gas, and the engine for that is right there, and the compression test has already been done. Got the transmission already hooked up, so it's a good compression test all around. And then we know we've got other Bombardiers coming in, so get all this cleaned up and out the door be fantastic. That's the goal here, but one machine at a time. And Dad says, you know, if he does 2-3 hours of work a day, and if you don't have Aidan around here, well, we just slows right down. So he is 83, and so there's only so much I can help him out, so I'm really hoping Aidan comes back. But 2 machines like normal right now, and then saw Mr. Johnson on the road with his Geo scooter, so I'll probably tag that video in on the back end of this one. So that's the shop update. Just little dogs. Nina Pinta Santa Maria is here. Hey Nina. And then her big brother and big sister outside. Well, Charlie was here. So was Emily. They must have taken off to go somewhere, but I'll find them. But we're just doing fall cleanup work around here, moving some equipment around and getting it so it's tightened up for winter, so nothing's in the way. And that means we've got to put some equipment back in the lineup and clean up some garbage. But it's a beautiful fall day here in northern Manitoba. Anybody wants to come visit, Dad loves visitors, and it's a nice quiet Sunday day. So worst case scenario, if you want to just crash out in the bus, you can. My brother-in-law was in there the other night, and he loves sleeping out here, so Yeah, come out for a visit, guys, even if you're in town. So, same day, and Dad is doing a little priming here. He's got the big bay doors open, and so he can get the fumes out of the shop, but he's going getting the priming done, and he was doing a little bit this morning, but he had some company. Good buddy Dale come by. Anyways, he's back on this duty here, which is good. Means we get some chargeable hours on this machine, and he'll be at this for the next couple of days. And like I said, I've got to go out of town for some medical, and Dad'll keep on priming this machine, and hopefully we can get this one done soon. And that's it. And there's my pecker-headed cat. He likes his new spot. Hey? Oh, you're tired. There's my Charles in charge. Hey? Oh, what an old dog. Such a good old dog. Stinky old dog. Hey? Just turned the corner for the shop, and here's Mr. Johnson in his little Geo scooter. He's going to be on his way to see Dad. But, yeah, he's just cruising along here.
Sure quiet, eh?
Yeah. Look at this. My dog is finally barking. It's the second time I've heard Emily bark. Yeah, it's Mr. Johnson and his Geo, eh? Look at this. So, you're out cruising. Yeah. How's the little Geo working out for you?
Good so far.
Yeah?
Not very far yet.
I posted your video on your daughter's Facebook there last night or something, and everybody got
I
it.
talked to her this morning. She
Yeah.
said, yeah, you should take a look that up.
Yeah. So, anyways, we had about 500 views on Mr. Johnson's little Geo video there the other day, and some guys were saying, "Oh, it's impossible. You got to have a driver's license." Nope, don't have to have a driver's license, and it looks like it's working pretty good for him here. And I checked online, and yes, the price is $8,000. So if you're having mobility issues and you want something covered, this is priced just about the same price as a normal scooter, maybe $1,000 or $2,000 less. But what an excellent thing! You've been at it all around town with this thing too, haven't you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What's the best thing so far about this?
Well, just be able to get out.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
And enjoy yourself. And
Yeah.
better than walking.
Good. Yeah. Okay. So there it is, guys. That's the Geo scooter of Mr. Johnson's. And we'll let him have a visit here with Dad.